We have a ribbon attached to our ceiling fan, and our kitty is jumping from chair to chair. Boo boo.
Boo-boo.
Boo boo is a ribbon baby.
Baby.
Boo boo baby, get the ribbon, boo boo baby. I'm spinning the fan with a pool noodle, and she wants it too. Oh, she wants it all. Oh! Oh! I think if she could get to the ceiling fan, that's where she would go.
Yeah.
All right. Levi has his flashlight on there. Hope I'm not making anybody sick going up and down like that. There it is. Okay. Can you say bye-bye? Say bye-bye, boo-boo.
Boo-boo.
Bye-bye, boo-boo.